Hello and welcome to another Excel tips video. I am Sumit Bansal, and in today's video I am going to tell you about a new Excel keyboard shortcut that has been added in 2022. So this shortcut is Control Shift V, which is used to paste as values. So you can copy any data and then paste it as values using this keyboard shortcut. Now this was available in many different applications including Google Sheets for many years, but it has recently been added in Excel. Now, in October 2022, Excel team mentioned that they are going to release this for the insider beta group. But as of now, I believe it has been rolled out to everyone who's using Excel for Microsoft 365. I think it is still not available for people who are using versions prior to that. But if you are using Microsoft 365, then you will have access to this shortcut. Now, let me show you how it works. Here I have this data set where I have these values, and there is also some formatting such as the borders and the colors. Now, if I want to copy this data and paste it somewhere in the same worksheet or some other worksheet or some other Excel file, I can use Control C, Control V. But when I do that, it also copies the formatting. So here, when I select this data, I use Control C to copy this data. And when let's say, I want to paste it here. So I come here and I use Control V, it is going to paste the formatting as well, which is the colors and the borders. What if I do not want this? I only want the value. So let me press Control Z, come here again, copy this data. So use Control C to copy it, go to the cell where you want to paste it, and now use the new keyboard shortcut, which is Control Shift V. So you hold the Control and the Shift key and then press the V key. And as soon as you do that, it is going to only give you the values. So this is a lot faster. Earlier also there used to be a keyboard shortcut which was a bit longer, which would open the paste special dialog box where there was an option to select values and only copy and paste the values, but this is a lot faster. Also, this is more like a universal keyboard shortcut. You can use it anywhere. You can copy the data from web, and if you're using other applications, which could be other Microsoft applications or other applications such as, let's say, Google Sheets, then you can use this keyboard shortcut. Now let me show you another way of using it. So here I have this blank sheet and I have this data here from Wikipedia, and I want to copy this data. So I'm trying to show you that you can copy and paste data from a web page. I've chosen this table. So I select this table, I copy this data. Now I go back to my Excel sheet, and here if I paste this data as is, so if I use Control V, it is going to paste along with the hyperlinks and formatting, which is not what I want. I only want the values. So I would press Control Z to go back, and now I have this data, I copy this, I go to Excel sheet and now use Control Shift V, and when I do that, it only gives me the values but strip away all the formatting that was there in the source web page. Other thing where you can use this keyboard shortcut is when you have formulas and you want to remove the formulas and only keep the values. So here I have this data set, but in this last column, I have a formula. Now, if I want to remove the formula but keep the value, what I can do is select this column, or you can select the entire data set, copy it, and then press Control Shift V. And as soon as I do it, it is going to give me the values, but the formulas go away. So this is a very useful keyboard shortcut. You can start using it if you're using Excel with Microsoft 365 subscription. And I'm glad Excel has finally added it. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss out on any new Excel tips video I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.